How are you? Welcome to my channel Medzabi. And yeah, obviously seeing my thumbnail and the title of this video, yes, this video is gonna be about everything that you have to pack and not to pack in your journey, on your journey, what to pack in your check-in baggage and what not to pack in your check-in baggage and what to pack in your backpack. So I'll be telling about each and everything here in this video, from your shoes to your masalas, okay, and what masalas to be, because masala becomes a very essential element when you travel to abroad, because apart from India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, countries like this, Asian countries, and most of the European countries and Middle Eastern countries don't use much spice in them. So basically, masalas become very essential part of your life. You will be traveling to few months from over years, depends on your course and course duration. So I'll be talking about each and every point. Okay, so what will be the check-in, what will be the weight of the check-in baggage, and what will be the backpack, and how much weight can be extended. And also at the end of this video, please don't skip this part. At the end of this video, there's a special giveaway, and to know about that giveaway, you have to stick on to me till the end of the video. Trust me, that's for everyone, and that's also interesting. Okay, let's show you each and everything what I have arranged. I have been surrounded with every stuff because I've been packed the stuff from Bangalore and then traveled all my way to Delhi via train. It was a 2 days amazing journey. I've been posting my clips of IRCTC, Indian Railways, because Indian Railway service was best. I guess the best. The food service, the food quality, no compromise in it. It was very good. It was very good. I would rate 4.5 stars for that. And I've been posting all those clips of my train journey on my Instagram. Please follow. Okay, I've been cutting this part. So I've been sharing all my video clips of train on my Instagram. Okay, and this video is gonna be a slightly long video, and I can't make two parts of it because I'll be telling with every part, like I'll be going with your essentials, medications, masalas, and how to pack. So this is gonna be a complete video, and it's gonna be a lengthy video. Please stick on to it. Let's start with your backpack essentials. First your backpack, then a tie. Especially in Uzbekistan, I have seen very worst qualities of ties, and it's a bit costly. And yeah, this is mask because in Uzbekistan we don't get black color mask, especially cotton mask. So cotton masks are must. Okay, these are some snacks because there's gonna be a long wait in the airport to have some snacks. These are very important. Your documents should always be with you, should be handy, and should always be in your backpack, so that anytime anyone asks his document, you should be ready giving it. Then coming to your charger is very important because this charger will be carrying, because this charger can handle your phone capability, your voltage capacity, everything. And this Visa card is then coming to your bottle of water. This bottle can go up to 800 rupees to 1200 rupees in abroad, and it's gonna be costly, and you will find a very hard way to find it. This watch is gonna be a very essential element for fashion this thing. and your electronics. Make sure all your electronics and wires are in your backpack, not in your check-in. Okay, they will make sure that all your electronics are in your backpack. Then aloe vera gel is gonna be very handy during winters, because these countries are gonna be extreme winter, snow is gonna be there. So aloe vera gel will be very good, useful. And this rope is very handy when you are drying clothes and there's no space in your hostels or in your laundry to dry up clothes. You can dry up clothes using your rope in your room. So this was all your backpack essentials. Okay, so this was all your backpack essentials, which includes your wallet and your cards and your passport. Okay, in this. Back to your things. This cap can be worn on this. Okay, I told you can leave a gap of your eyes, and this can cover up your forehead and your head. Okay, a 2-pack of soaps is good, because while traveling you need to wash your face in the airport or somewhere. Soaps are available in any part of the country. This again is very important, because this becomes very costly in an abroad country. Okay, this can go up to 500 rupees for just 4 or 5. So in India, plastic is very cheap, you can take it from there. Then coming up to your winter essentials, not socks won't only be handy in your fashion, but also during winters, because during winters you have to wear socks, or else your legs are gonna get frozen up. So these are 3 pairs of socks of Tommy Hilfiger. Actually there's one more of Adidas, and then this. Let me show you what this does. Okay, this is also very useful when you get into countries where there's extreme winters. So let me show you what this does. This is treasure. Okay, don't forget this treasure, because this is very costly. This can go up to 10,000 rupees in kg in abroad. Okay, it's the same almost in India, but quite cheaper than in abroad. So it's long, chakla, elaichi, I don't know what cardamom, I guess. Yeah, cardamom, elaichi. So everything in this. Okay, this is your treasure. Don't forget this. Now coming to the main part, the main masala part. Magic masalas, I bought it very less this time, but the more you bring, the more good it is. Okay, this gonna make everything delicious, each and everything. This is a pulivagre masala. It's a rice dish made especially in South India, which is only eaten in breakfast and more. These are papad. Okay, and then the coriander powder becomes very costly in abroad. Turmeric is cheap. Okay, and the spiciest red chilli you can take. I have taken Eastern chili powder, which is the spiciest in the Indian market. I hope so. Okay, then coming to your pepper seeds, cumin seeds do become very costly in abroad. Then these two are very important. Achar. Okay, this is your garam masala. Don't forget this. Okay, garam masala also. We are done with all the masalas here. These are all the important masalas, apart from which you can add up to it according to your taste. And this has to be in your check-in baggage, okay, and not in your bag. Backpack, because when you check in you have to show your backpack, and they can throw some of this, which is which is of waste of money and waste of time. So make sure these is in your check-in baggage. You pack all your clothes in one side of the suitcase, so that you get an extra space to keep all your shoes in that and masalas in that. Okay, so these are all your clothes here. Okay, we are on to our third phase of our packing. Before continuing, this is my student card. Okay, this is my student card of ANDIJAN State Medical Institute. This is the brochure. Okay, yeah, again coming to the clothes part, I'll tell you how to make extra space in your luggage. So this is a normal t-shirt folded and in a rubber band, and then you can stuff it anywhere. Okay, it requires very small space. This can go with a little bit of force. You can just stuff it in, and this there it goes. You got extra space. There are actually 30 plus t-shirts inside here folded, and also sweatshirts. This is my sweatshirt. I didn't want it to fold because this is of H&M and this is of Zara, so I didn't want this to fold. And these are all my jeans sections here. There are more than 7 jeans here, so which are stuffed, folded, and which are nicely stuffed in. Okay, so make sure you pack all the clothes inside one pack. Okay, so we are done with the clothing section. Now let's hop on to the next section, which is very important: shoes. Okay, so yeah, one pair of formal shoes, one pair of sport shoes, 2 pairs of casuals, okay, and 1 pair of slippers, flip-flops or chappals, anything you call. Because I have taken all in white, because you can see all my sport shoes and also casuals are in white, because white shoes can fit in any fashion you take, any fashion. Let it be your jeans, your formals, it can make it casual. If you're wearing sweatshirts and upon shirt, white shoes are go to go. Yeah, and one more thing I forgot to tell you: with this pair of chappal, carry 1 more pair of sandals or slippers, so that because in winters, these slippers, the same slippers which you get 300 or 400 rupees in India, can go up to 800 rupees to 1500 INR in abroad. And countries like Uzbekistan produce very, very, very cheap quality of slippers, and it's totally waste of money if you get there. So I recommend you to carry 1 more pair of slippers, because these are gonna be very handy when you're roaming in hostel. You can't always wear shoes in hostel. Okay, so these are gonna come very handy. Trust me, carry this. And also I'll be sharing all my photos. Most of my photos are with white shoes, casual, vintage, aesthetic, everything. Trust me, it looks very trendy and aesthetic in white shoes. So I recommend you to carry white shoes more than any other color shoes. Okay, so this was your shoes part. And also, so let's hop on to next part. So yeah, we are done with all the 4 parts. The first was the backpack and the snacks part, the masalas, the bag, check-in baggage, and your shoes. Now the very, very, very main part with which you can't survive in a foreign country, which is your currency. Make sure you carry dollars. Okay, make sure you carry dollars, because dollars are widely accepted any part of the country or any part of the world. And make sure you carry a Visa card. Okay, Visa card. Make sure you carry a Visa card, because this is becomes very important, and it's easy to swipe. Okay, and then make sure and your dollars are in change. Okay, so that you can exchange them according to your need or want. So these are my dollars. I've been in 20, 10 and 5. This is the Kotak Mahindra Visa card. You can take this card because this card has 3% of transaction fees. But apart from this card, there are more cards, which is SBI, HDFC, which takes a lot of transaction fee, and in some cases it doesn't work in the ATMs of Uzbekistan neither, along with some other countries. So along with this card, you can take up to a very, very nice card and a new card, which is Neo Global card. I hope Neo sponsors this video, but it will never happen. Yeah, Neo card will charge you 0% of forex charge, and it can work up to around 150 countries, including Uzbekistan and Middle Asian countries. So you can totally trust on that card and take up that. Okay, so yeah, now so we are done with what to pack in check-in baggage and what to pack in backpack. With this, what not to pack is your liquids: no liquor, no alcohol, and no scissors, no lighters. Okay, don't carry any lighters, don't carry any burn substances which can ignite very quickly, not crackers, no nothing like that. And also I'll upload the list of what not to pack here. And then coming to medications, I'll upload the whole screenshot of my prescription, which my doctor prescribed me. These are all like normal headaches, fevers, indigestion problems. So these are for this medicines. And yeah, now the main part. In the start of the video, I had said you that I'll be giving you a special giveaway. This is my first giveaway, and I hope this is not gonna be my last giveaway. So make sure you participate in this giveaway with abundance. Okay, the rules are gonna be very simple. So the giveaway is mainly for the students of Uzbekistan who are coming to Uzbekistan for the study of MBBS. Okay, any nationality, let it be India, Pakistan, South Korea, any nationality are entertained here, are eligible. Okay, so and also any part of the country, any part of Uzbekistan, that means Tashkent Medical Academy, Samarkand, Andijan and Bukhara State Medical Institute, all students are eligible in this giveaway. So the rules of the giveaway are, there's one condition to the giveaway, that is I have not exposed your value of the dollar bill. That means the value of the dollar bill totally depends on the views this video get. Okay, so the more the views, the more the value of the dollar bill goes up. So you can share this video to a fresher or a senior who's already in Uzbekistan, or anyone who in your friend circle who's going to any other foreign country. He just have to mention your name in the comment section. That's all. Okay, that's the demand, that's the rule. So of the giveaway. So apart from that, I forgot to tell you the weight of the check-in baggage. The check-in baggage weight is 23 kg, which can be extended up to 25, and the backpack, it's 8 kg, but you can extend up to 10 or 15 kg. So this was the video. I hope you liked that. So to an end of an amazing video. I really appreciate you guys sticking on to me till the end. But I really appreciate if you guys comment down your thoughts that what has to be done more and what has to be done less. Okay, so correct me or appreciate me, that's totally appreciated. And participate in the giveaway. So yeah, and I hope you liked this video. This video was especially to you guys, to the students who were continuously asking me that what not to take, what to take. Any part of the world you go, any course you take, you can follow all the steps, all the things which I added up on this video. Okay, so it will be handy anywhere, any part of the world. So with this, we come to an end of this video. So I'll take a leave. Das Vidania. I'm Mohammad Zabi and I'm logging off.